and known to some of you as Jamrock Vegan. Today I want to take you guys on a journey with me to the market to pick up some ingredients that I'm going to use tomorrow. Tomorrow is a public holiday here in Jamaica, and I feel like I want to roast some breadfruit, cook up some ackee and make some limeade. No, I'm using this opportunity to encourage persons to eat local, eat healthy, and eat foods that are in season. That way you can ease off the convenience food. Without saying too much, let's go! Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to catch up the coal fire for roast the breadfruit and cook up the ackee. Today is a beautiful day. I feel good. I hope you feel good too. So let's go. Showing you guys all that I will be using, my seasonings and my nice avocado smiling back at us. Some garlic powder, some black pepper, some salt, some oil. We're going to fry up the ackee. Get the fire started. Some of us don't know how to do it, you know, so simple. Yes, so you guys can see the fire basically a ketchup now, and you want to just leave it, make all the coal blaze up a little before you start with the excitement, you know. I'm roasting it from the top first because it roasts a little bit faster. So you want to be very careful, the fire burn you. Set them good. There we go. So guys, you want to just, it's outdoors, so you just do anything what make you comfortable. It's holiday time, so normally when holiday time you cook and you have fun. So I hope you enjoy this video, watching this video. Growing up in Jamaica, back in the days, it was just here outside cooking for some of us. You know, like some of us who from rural Jamaica, you know, outdoor cooking used to go on, man. And I used to enjoy it because I was part of that era, so I used to enjoy it, you know. Jamaica is a beautiful place. I want to remember that when the coal is burning out of the coal pot, you want to stack it back gradually while the breadfruit is cooking. So to turn the breadfruit, be careful now guys, because this will burn you. And you don't want to use your fancy dishcloth because it will burn up as well. Yes guys, this is ready, but you can't peel it too hot. Yes, my oil is ready. So as you know, we saute with vegetable before anything. Hey, it's green and gold, you know? You know what I mean? Please. Friends, I might ask this video. Maybe this is nobody wants it. Boy, if looking at this food don't make you happy, I don't know what's gonna make you happy. Because right now, me very happy. Fire too much on that guys, so I just put some more coal to just turn down the flame. Out here nice so till guys, I'm not lying. My ackee look nice. Make it cook down. I add some water to it, just a little bit, so we can eat the gravy with the breadfruit. Guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching me today. And I hope I made you happy. known to us Jamaicans as sugar and water or limeade. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to look for my food. Please remember to press the notification bell so you can be aware when we post a video.